In which test student A showed his worst performance? Student A means dark line. Dark line. Worst means least number of marks. So it is in 50 when test number 1. So that is the answer. Next, in all, whose performance is lesser during the year? Lesser. Okay. Now performance means what? How will you count it? You will count the total number of marks. So that will give you who is better and who is lesser. So total of A is what? See this. A means dark line. 50, then 75, then 60, then 70. Right? That is 255. And here B 60, 85, 75 and 60. So it is 290. So who is lesser? A is lesser and B is better. Okay. Next, a pizza delivery boy rides from a town to a neighboring suburban area to deliver a parcel to a merchant. Means somebody has ordered the pizza and is riding on the bike to deliver it to that guy. Okay. His distance from the town at different times is shown in the following graph. Means he is started from here and is moving towards the merchant. Here is the merchant. Okay. Now question number is 11 to 13, including 11 and 13. Okay. Let's start. How much time did the person take to reach the place of the merchant? See here, he started at 8 a.m. and he reached at around 10:30 in the center. See here, in exams you can directly take it as a half. So 10:30. So time is 1 to 2.5 hours, means 2 hours and 30 minutes, right? Got it? See here, 2.5 hours means not 2 hours and 50 minutes, because 1 hour is of 60 minutes. So 0.5 means 30 minutes. We always make a mistake in this. Next, how far is the place of the merchant from the town? To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.